right, we're at Nix Hospital in San Antonio, Texas. And these are the Otis Autotronic elevators from 1969. This building was built in 1931, but the elevators were modernized in 1969. And we got Otis Touch-Sensitive. So you know what time it is? It's Otis time. Let's ride, here we go. Let's see which one will it be. That one over there already just left. We got this one right here.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Here, cab view. All right, we're gonna go to 23, 22, 21, 20 is the highest we can go, and that fan is on. Here we go. Oh, we're stopping. They're Otis Autotronics, known for that. You going up?
Going up.
Your floor? Your floor, ma'am?
6. 7, I'm sorry.
7?
You want some?
Yes.
Are you going to get your labs?
Yes. I forgot where I was going. Okay, bye. See you later. Having fun today recording?
Oh, yes, I am. I'm enjoying the elevator's what I'm enjoying.
Oh.
Whoa, did you feel that stop? Like a theme park.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Houston area.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck. God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you so much. All right, let's see if we can make it all the way up without stopping. These elevators do stop quite a lot. Whoa, that felt good. You're at 20? All right, we're gonna go on to 1. Watch this. I didn't even have to, I just almost barely tapped the button. It's just your standard elevator. Out of respect from the security members, they do not want to be filmed. You can come inside. What floor are you going?
All the way down.
Going down? All right.
First floor, all sure is good.
All right, you guys go ahead. All right, there goes that one. And we also have a special guest. Andrew, I'm going to sign off the video.
Bye, everybody. Good job, Jim.